Hey guys! If you're into dropshipping or planning to start an online store, then you probably know that one of the biggest headaches is doing everything manually. For example, first you have to spend hours looking for products. Then you need to check if they're actually profitable, write product titles and descriptions, list them to your store, and somehow manage everything without getting lost between 10 different tabs. And honestly, that's where most people get overwhelmed. But imagine if you could just type something like, "Find me 10 kitchen gadgets under $40 with good profit margins," and it actually does the hard work for you. That's exactly what Doba Pilot is. Think of it like having your own assistant for your dropshipping business. For example, if you don't know what products to sell, you can simply ask it to find trending products. If you want to build a Shopify store, you can just tell it, "Help me build a store." Need better product titles and descriptions? It can do that too. Want to list products faster instead of doing everything manually? It helps with that as well. What I really like is that everything happens in one place. You're not constantly switching between different tools or spending hours doing repetitive work. You just tell Doba Pilot what you need, and it helps you get things done much faster. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Doba Pilot works, some of my favorite features, and how it can make running a dropshipping business a whole lot easier. So, let's get started.
Okay guys, so first of all, visit their website. The link is mentioned in the description box below. All you need to do is sign up using your Google account and you're good to go. Once you visit the website, you'll see an interface like this. Honestly, it's very clean, convenient, and super easy to use. Let me explain. Here, you can see they have Shopify Agent, Wix Agent, and BigCommerce Agent. You can choose whichever platform you prefer. Since I will be using Shopify, I'll go with the Shopify agent. Now, let's say you don't even have a Shopify store yet. Normally, setting up a store takes time and you have to do everything manually. But here, you don't have to worry about that. Just type, "Set up a Shopify store for me," and it will guide you through the whole process. Think of it like chatting with your personal assistant. You simply tell it what you want, and it helps you get the work done. It's almost like having your own business agent working for you. Now you can see it's helping us build a Shopify store, and it's asking us to choose the main category. For example, my niche is computer and office supplies, so I'll select that. After that, you can choose a theme for your store and pick a banner. Of course, you can always customize everything later, but just to get started, this makes the whole process incredibly easy. Before, people had to do everything manually, or even hire someone just to build a store. But with Doba Pilot, getting started becomes much simpler and much faster. After selecting your theme and category, it will ask you to start your Shopify trial. You can connect your existing Shopify account or create a new one. Shopify even offers 3 days free and then starts from just $1 per month, which is great if you're just getting started. Once your store is ready, you'll need to connect Shopify with Doba. Simply click Install here and install the Doba app inside your Shopify store. After that, Doba takes care of the rest and makes the whole workflow much smoother. Once the app is installed, click Next and paste your Shopify store link here. That's it! Now our store is created and connected with Doba. Now let's do something interesting. Let's ask it to find the top 10 trending computer gadgets that are selling well. And you can see that it has found the products for us along with useful insights. For example, it shows the price, shipping information, and other details that can help us make better decisions. Now, these products are priced around $97 or $99, but let's say I want something cheaper with a better profit opportunity. So I'll ask it to find computer gadgets under $20 that are high selling and can provide a better profit margin. This is where you can be very specific with your prompt and explain exactly what you're looking for. And you can see that it starts finding products according to those requirements. Some products are even around $5 or $6. If you like any product, you can simply click on it. You can also see if it's featured on TikTok, which gives you an idea that the product is currently trending. From here, you can add it to your inventory list or directly list it to your store. Just select your store and publish it. If you scroll down, you'll also find inventory details, shipping countries, and estimated delivery times, which is really helpful. Now, let's try something else. For example, I'll say, find 5 products with the highest profit margin that offer 3-day delivery in the US. So here, I've specified exactly what I want. Only 5 products, high profit margins, and fast US shipping. And that's what I really love about Doba Pilot. It doesn't just throw random products at you. It actually understands your requirements and finds products accordingly. You don't have to spend hours researching manually or jumping between different websites. Everything is done in one place, and it even provides useful insights to help you make better decisions. And here are the results. You can see that it highlights fast delivery, lower product costs, and better profit opportunities. Now, let's take one of these products and search it on Amazon just to compare prices. And here, you can see that people are selling the same product for $47, $69, and even higher. So even if you sell it for $30 or $40, there is still room for a healthy profit margin. Honestly, that's pretty impressive. This is how Doba Pilot helps you find products based on your own requirements without spending hours doing manual research. Now, let's talk about something really interesting called Market Scout. In simple words, Market Scout helps you research an entire niche before you start selling. For example, if I type tech gadgets, it starts collecting information from different sources and analyzes the niche for dropshipping opportunities. You can see that it brings up YouTube videos like 20 best Amazon gadgets in 2026 and 15 smart gadgets that make life easier. It also provides PDFs, articles, and research resources. But what I really like is that it doesn't just show random information. It actually analyzes all of that data and gives you meaningful insights. It shows things like which products are in demand, how competitive the market is, the estimated monthly revenue, ratings, and much more. In simple words, instead of you spending hours researching everything yourself, Market Scout does the hard work and presents everything in an organized way. This is extremely useful because it helps you understand which products have strong demand, what prices people are paying, and how profitable those products can be. It even provides information about market size, monthly sales, monthly revenue, and many more insights. Honestly, I'm really impressed with how detailed this research is. So that's Market Scout. And then we have AI Picker, which I already showed you earlier. You simply describe the type of products you're looking for, like I asked for 5 products with high profit margins and 3-day US delivery, and it found them for me. After that, I can directly list those products to my store in just a few clicks.
Honestly, what I really love about Doba Pilot is how everything works together. From finding products and researching the market, to listing products and managing your workflow, everything happens in one place. It saves so much time and removes a lot of the repetitive work. Whether you're a beginner or already running a store, having all these tools together can make the whole dropshipping process much easier and much more efficient. Now let me tell you something even more exciting. Doba currently has its mid-year growth carnival, which is designed to help sellers choose the right growth bundle based on where they are in their business journey. And guys, this is something you definitely want to pay attention to, because the idea here isn't to simply buy the cheapest plan. It's about choosing the bundle that actually fits your goals and gives you the tools and support you need to grow. Pick the one that actually matches your goals. If you're completely new to dropshipping and just want to test products and learn how everything works, the basic plan gives you a 7-day trial for just 99 cents and is a great place to start. If you're already running a store, managing more products, or want stronger AI tools and higher capacity to scale faster, then the standard plan gives you a 5-day trial for just 99 cents. And if you've already decided to take dropshipping seriously and want more time, advanced tools, and support to grow your business, then the growth plan is the better choice for scaling your store. So don't choose based on price alone. Choose the plan that fits where your business is today and where you want it to be a few months from now. And that's pretty much it, guys. I honestly think Doba Pilot has done an amazing job by bringing product research, sourcing, store setup, and listing all together in one place. It saves a lot of time and makes things much easier, especially if you're tired of doing everything manually. If you want to check it out for yourself and explore their mid-year growth carnival offers, I'll leave all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.